Okay.
Go. Good day. I'm reporting about Sherry Ortner's article on is male to female as nature to culture. In this article, Sherry Ortner um, showed the purpose of this article is to formulate a theory that explains the universal gender asymmetry. Structuralists believe that the cultural phenomena are a product of universal logical processes that organize human thought. In this article, Ortner concluded that one should identify cross-cultural patterns of oppositions associated with men and women. In this paper, Ortner tried to expose the underlying logic of cultural thinking that assumes inferiority of women amongst the society. And then, this article is basically based on Levi-Strauss' work. Ortner gave three evidences that a particular culture considers woman inferior. First, the elements of cultural ideology and informant statements that explicitly devalue women according to their roles, their tasks, their products, and their social milieux. Less prestige than the male, and the male correlates. And then, second is the symbolic devices, such as attribution of defilement, which may be interpreted as implicitly making a statement of inferior evaluation. And the last one is the social structural arrangement that exclude women from participation in or contact with some realm in which the highest powers or the society are felt to reside. Bisan makakita ka og usa ani nga mga kanang ebidensya sa isa ka society nga nag-consider bisan makakita ka isa lang ani sa tulo, sufficient na siya para maka-prove ka nga kana ang mga babae ana na society is inferior and kanang they are inferior in that certain culture. But bisan usa pa ka kababay nga taas og status ana or hana kay power or asawa ba ka sa kanang taas or sa kanang pinakataas nga tao ana nga society, kanang makita gyapon kag ebidensas nga usa ka inferior, makita gyapon kag ebidensas nga mas taas pa gyud ang male nimo bisan pag taas ka og power or naka sa high status. Kung ang imong culture mo consider sa babae, generally sa babae nga inferior gid sila sa male. And the next one is kanang Ortner's distinction of women between women as identified with nature as merely closer to nature. So kanang kang Ortner kay gikuan jud niya nga kanang ang woman is close to nature but ang man close to culture. Kay tungod kay nataas na ang lalaki tungod sa mga culture nga ni arise bisag unsa nga culture na mixing of culture nga tungod sa laing nga culture kanang superior ang man sunod na sa pikas kay superior pud ang man niya merag na nasagol na lang ang tanan niya kanan. It makes her case more compelling but less amenable to testing. If niingon pa siya nga ang mga babae kay gi-identify wholly with nature, one or duha ka counter examples could easily disprove her point. Plus, ni-suggest siya na women are merely closer to nature kaysa sa mga lalaki. Kay kita kay mong niingon siya nga ang mga babae mas close sa nature kay tungod kay ang babae mo mag-bear sa kanang anak. Siya jud magda sa baby. That is a natural I think a natural act or a natural na mahitabo good. It opens the possibility that women mediate between culture and nature. Akong conclusion ani therefore Ortner's work or article shows that women are to nature and man is to culture. And indeed, female is to male as culture is to nature. Thank you!